The single most important step in any skincare routine, if you want it to be effective, is serum. It's usually the most potent product packed with ingredients that really do something. Here's how you find the right one for your skin. Serums are supercharged skincare formulas. They're designed to soak into your skin and target concerns like dehydration, fine lines, wrinkles, and blemishes. So you'll often find active ingredients like hyaluronic acid, antioxidants, and niacinamide in them. Serums are applied after cleansing and before your moisturiser. A couple of drops pressed in will usually do your face and neck, and damp skin will better aid absorption. Really massage your serum into your skin for an added circulation and lymphatic drainage boost. You'll get even more glow. If your skin is starting to feel dry and dull, or you're seeing fine lines, look for a hydrating, brightening, and firming formula like this one. It has plant extracts to replenish hydration, smooth skin, and boost radiance. The Clever formula combines oil and water as you pump it, so there's a luxurious texture that feels good on your skin. To reset dehydrated and lackluster skin overnight, look for a hydrating and plumping serum like this iconic formulation. It's filled with hyaluronic acid, antioxidants, and peptides which restore tired skin while you sleep. You'll see best results if you apply a few drops before bed, but the formula can be applied in the morning too. If you're prone to blemishes or sensitivity, vitamin B, aka niacinamide, is helpful to soothe stressed out skin. This one helps strengthen skin's natural moisture barrier, calm inflammation, and deliver lightweight hydration. It's a great all-rounder if you're new to serums or if you've damaged your skin barrier and your skin needs a break. So that's my serum cheat sheet, and don't forget, always apply moisturiser after your serum to lock everything in.